Will water damage go away after bleaching? Here's an after product. So after we bleached the fence, this was actually hit twice. So that shows you how dirty this fence was. We went through, we bleached it out twice. Remember earlier I was showing you that the water damage will not go away because it's actual scarring to the wood. So as you can see, the green has gone away, but what used to be black now is brown. So with us staining the fence, you will still see that design in the fence. Again, we're recommending on this one to go through with a solid latex based stain so we can consistently make everything blend. So the way you see it today, you see the brown, you see what used to be mildew, and then what was just old wood. After we get it all cleaned up, this is your end result. You still see the water damage from the sprinklers hitting the fence. Those are permanently scarred into the wood. Going through with a solid latex based stain, after we finish, you're not going to see the old wood, the mildew, and the black. All that will chemically blend and look as clean as possible. End result looking as pretty as we can get it for you.